Today's experiment has been one of our most successful experiences so far. We have successfully grown an apple plant from an apple fruit. And the result is right in front of you. Hi friends! Today we are going to grow an apple plant from a fresh apple fruit. In this experiment, first of all, friends, we will take 2 fresh apples and 2 new clean glasses. We will use some medicated ingredients along with a few natural home remedies. Along with turmeric, we will also add 1 aspirin tablet into the water. Now, we will fill both glasses with filtered water. This aspirin tablet works as we will add turmeric powder into the water. Rooting booster. And helps protect the apple from fungal issues. Now, we will let this solution dissolve properly. While the solution is dissolving, we will prepare the apples. Friends, we will cut the apple slightly from the top and also from the bottom. After cutting, we will use fresh aloe vera gel. We will apply aloe vera gel on the bottom side of the apple and also on the top side. Aloe vera works as a natural growth booster and helps in root development. Once the aloe vera gel is applied, we will carefully place the apple on the glass. Make sure that only the bottom surface of the apple touches the water. The apple should not sink completely into the water. Now, I will place it on the glass and also show you clearly from the bottom how the apple should sit properly on the glass. Friends, after placing the apple correctly, the next important step is covering it. We will cover the apple using a polythene bag. Cover it properly from all sides. Make sure there is no air passage, so that a warm temperature is maintained. This controlled environment helps the apple plant grow faster and healthier. Friends, now let me show you the result after 25 days. The result is absolutely amazing. You can clearly see that strong branches have emerged and healthy roots have developed. This is a very unique, simple, and effective technique. You can easily apply this method at home without any difficulty. Anyone can grow apple plants using this method. It is not a difficult process, and you can easily succeed with patience. Finally, friends, we will take these young plants and transfer them into the soil. While planting, we will add 2 eggs into the soil as a natural fertilizer. After placing the plant, we will cover the sides with soil and water the plant properly. If you liked my content and found this technique useful, Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep sharing so more people can learn this simple gardening method.